Hello everyone. This is Sam from New Global Development Department. Today we are here to introduce the new updates about NeoPod program. Actually, recently there are a lot of updates regarding to the NeoPod program. For example, we add engage bot into our Discord server, so you can engage with our tweets and get some points. And we also launched several different types of tasks in the NeoPod program. Today, we will introduce all of them and give you an overview about the updates and what's going to happen in the future about NeoPod. So first of all, we restructured the NeoPod daily platform. We add Sentinel missions in the daily platform. This part is only for the Sentinel level ambassadors, and you can see that there are some special tasks for Sentinel level members, and it can get more points and more gas reward. And let me introduce the first one. This one is host an online development workshop. Actually, I noticed that some of our developers have launched several tutorials about new technology, how to build on new. But most of them is remain to the text version. I think if you have already produced this kind of materials, you can use these materials to give an online workshop in a new community. And I think you can come with me. And if you have this idea, you can give me your proposal, and we as New can help you to organize an online workshop for you. This is the first one. The second one is recently we launched a new game campaign with our ecosystem project, DexPhone. You can see that you can do some tasks and you can not only earn the points, but also you can earn some real gas token in this campaign. Actually, in the future, we will launch more this kind of campaign in the future, and you can have more chance to join it and earn points or maybe gas token or project tokens. The third one is this one, create a high quality video. Actually, this task is quite similar to the task created a video in the previous stage. Actually, the main difference about this task is we require the length of video should not be less than 20 minutes. We expect some high quality videos, and you can get more points, as you can see in this program. And in the future, we will produce more this kind of tasks for Sentinel level to encourage people to create high quality materials and get more points and rewards. The fourth one is this kind of we will have a special tasks for Sentinel level. For example, this one is it's the task we post recently. It's create a tutorial for newcoming eco project. Maybe he needs some help from new community. We will post a related task for them, and you can also get some extra points and extra rewards in this kind of tasks. But before you do this kind of task, please make sure that you have read the description carefully. Make sure that your submission meet all the requests in this description. As I can see that some of the submission about this task, they don't meet the full requirement, but I can show you a perfect submission about this task. This submission is made by Frank Quinn, and as you can see that in our description, it could be a text tutorial or video tutorial. And in your tutorial, you need to include 4 steps, which is sending gas from exchanges to new N3, and second is bridge gas from new N3 to new X. Third is add new X to MetaMask wallet. Fourth one is provide an overview of this project. As you can see that in this documentation, you can see that it have an overview of NeoX and the project, and how to play with this game, and how to add NeoX chain to your MetaMask. It also includes the desktop version and mobile version. It's and overview about how to play the game, and this is also how to play the game, and how to get gas is including how to buy gas from exchange, how to withdraw them to new N3, and how to bridge them from new N3 to new X. So it fully meets the requirement, and it's success, and it won extra 1,000 points because his perfect submission. That's the main things I want to mention. And I think in the future we will have more this kind of tasks to Sentinel level tasks. So I think if you become a Sentinel, you will have more chance to earn more rewards in the new ecosystem. We have a lot of chance for that. Yeah. Another thing I want to mention is about the Engage bot. We recently add in our Discord server. Actually, you can see that how to play this with this bot in the information channel. First of all, you need to set up your Discord, your Twitter account. You can set up in the initiate room channel by typing set Twitter, and copy paste your link of your Twitter account and type enter. That you can submit your Twitter account. Yeah, and then you can see that all the tweets you can interact with, and error points from your engagement bot. uh, uh, I just saw a comment in the chat room. Thanks for your kind words. And then with the engage bot, you can click this to view the tweet, especially, yeah. And then you can click comment, retweet, like, and then if you do that, you can see that you can click this button to verify your action. Actually, each like and retweet can get 2 points, and each comment can get 6 points. So each tweet you can get max 10 points, and in the future, we will have more tweets in this channel, and you can have a more chance to earn points. And this is open to everyone. Yeah. And I think that's the main updates about NeoPod structure recently. I just want to share our new progress about this program to keep everyone scenic in this program. Another thing is, another part I want to mention is that during the last 2 months, we saw a lot of amazing improvement about the submissions, especially on video and articles. We noticed someone is doing a great job in this program, and actually every week our architect level person will select the perfect works from the past week, and I will select one of the best and post them in this channel, as you can see, and the task winner in this list can get extra points. And in the future, I think we will post all the best work of the past week selected by the architect members into the engage bot. And I think that excellent work can get more reactions, and then they can get more points by reaching these goals, like get likes and comments. That's an extra way for us to help you to get more reactions. Officially, I think that's the main point. Yeah. I just wonder if you have any questions. You can ask in this chat room. If you have any questions, please raise your hand, and I will let you up on the stage, and you can speak. Is there anyone want to ask questions about the NeoPod? You can text. You can also text in the chat room. No worries. Okay, seems there is no questions from now. I think if you have any questions, you can also ask them in the Discord, or we and the mains will also always be there to answer your questions. And I think thanks for your time. If you don't have any other questions, that's all for today's NeoPod mission brief. Thanks for everyone's time. It's great.